Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have supplies ready, so begin now. Place a sterile pad over the wound and hold it steady. Next, anchor the bandage at the wrist with 2 small turns, keeping light tension so circulation won't be cut off. Once anchored, pass the bandage diagonally across the palm and back around the wrist to secure the pad. Make sure each pass overlaps the previous one by about half, because that builds even pressure and prevents slippage as you proceed. Now focus on the fingers and palm. If the injury is isolated, wrap the injured finger individually with narrow strips, otherwise treat fingers together to keep the dressing stable. Use a figure-8 pattern across the thumb or between fingers. This locks the bandage so it won't slide. Keep tension steady, firm but not tight, and overlap by about half the bandage width for uniform pressure. Between passes, pause to check circulation by observing fingertip color and asking if sensation remains intact. To finish, make several final turns around the wrist to secure the dressing and fasten with tape or clips. Tuck loose ends neatly so nothing catches. Once done, assess circulation by pressing a fingertip until it blanches, then watching for color return within 2 seconds. Also check warmth and the ability to move fingers. If the hand becomes pale, cold, numb, or pain increases, loosen the wrap 1 turn and retie with gentler tension. This troubleshooting step usually restores flow without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.